saka, ang gagawin ko guys is, lagyan natin siya ng powder. Gusto ko ng matigas. Gusto ko talaga ng matigas. Ang ingay guys, as in guys, ingay talaga nito guys. Yan, mag-crispy-crispy na yan mamaya. Ha?
Good morning, Philippines!
Hi guys, good morning. Bulingit pa rin ako itong mukha ko, pero ang ginawa ko is naglilinis ako ng broccoli rub para ready later. Kasi linisin siya individual yung linisin mo. And so ito yung ginawa ko. And it's already 9:20. And yes, so tapusin ko lang ito guys kasi alam na. Alam na. And magre-ready lang ako mamaya. And I still have to cook pork roast ako guys. Yung roasting na sabianan ko na andito, yun gamitin ko siya. And yeah, ibubuil ko yung pork. Ipakita ko sa inyo mamaya kung paano ko siya kung gusto nyo guys mag-order ng ganyan, very easy lang guys. Chicken, pork, whatever, you can put vegetables, you can roast it. It's really useful, that machine. Very useful siya. And so yeah. At saka yung liig ko guys, para siyang nagda-dry. Dito sa tiyan ko, nagta-travel na yung guys, poison ivy sa tiyan ko. Sa under, sa tutoy ko meron. Ang kati guys. And I always wash it. Oil kasi ito. Yung oil ba, diba? Pag magka-oil kayo at saka may oil yung kamay mo at saka na-transfer sa ibang part ng katawan mo, doon na siya mag-stay. And maano mo lang, at hindi mo siya makikita guys. Andito pala yun mamaya, yung biyanan ko mamaya. Silang lahat, actually dito sila. Kaya busy ako, luluto tayo. Buti na lang hindi umuulan kahapon. Kasi maglilinis na naman si Tammy. Every Monday na lang guys maglilinis sa yard. So nakakapagod siya, pero you know what? It needed. Kasi kung magbabayad kami ng gardener, ang mahal guys every month, 250 every month. So yung 250 every month na igasto namin, ibabayad sa kanya. Yun na lang yung isisave na lang namin, or hindi isisave. So binili na lang namin ng ng lawnmower yun. May kasalanan yung gardener namin na hindi nila yung glass namin na nabasag doon sa sa garage door, side door. Hindi nila ni-replace. They should be replacing it. They said they will do it, but hindi nila ginawa. When you are cooking, how do you call this, broccoli rub, you need a lot of garlic, granulated garlic, a lot of garlic plus granulated garlic, yung parang powder na siya, granulated, hindi siya talagang at saka red pepper, crushed red pepper, and then also you need granulated onion. So yun ang kailangan mo. And also you need a salt, of course, and also you need this peppercorn. Okay, this is what I use for my and then here's the pot right here guys. Hold on. And you put oil here guys, oil sa and ang gagawin ko is I will add all the garlic. Ganyan. And kailangan natin ito, natin siya, lutuin natin siya. Nakikita ninyo ako hindi pa naliligo, hindi pa nag-iilis, at saka nagre-ready. Ano ba? So ito na siya guys, ilagay na natin si broccoli. Ilagay natin siya, dahan-dahan lang. Hindi ko siya ilagay lahat at one time guys, kasi siya, ang dami. Ang dami mo. At saka, ang gagawin ko guys is, lagyan natin siya ng powder. Lagyan natin siya ng garlic powder. Gusto ko maraming garlic powder talaga, masarap. And then, maraming onion powder. Marami. Lagyan ko siya ng grinded peppercorn because it's nice when it's fresh grinded. And I don't know, it's like you can taste the peppercorn, like a little bit of spice. I like it. Hello, bakit makati naman itong katawan ko? Pati legs ko na-apekto pa na talaga, guys. Hindi ko damihan ng ganito para hindi maanghang sa biyanan ko. Kasi she doesn't like too spicy. And I will cover it with this. But before that, i-ano ko muna siya, guys. I have to flip this. Flip. I have to flip over. Lagyan ko siya ng salt. Yep, salt. Salty. Lagyan ko ng salt. And then, ika-cover ko lang siya para tawag nito, para lumiliit yung gulay. And then, I will add the rest of the broccoli rabe. Ang camera ko, guys. Nako talaga. Lumiliit ang gulay. Lumiliit. Mag-bend tayo, kasi ayan na siya, guys. And ang nakaano talaga, guys, pag magluluto ka ng gulay na liliit talaga siya, as in. Yung sabaw niya, hindi ko siya nilagyan ng sabaw. Yung sabaw niya is from the water when I wash it. And it's really good, guys. Kung gusto nyo yung mga sobrang crunchy, tignan-tignan nyo lang kung ano. Pero yung family ko dito, yung asawa ko, yung mga tao dito, gusto nila yung hindi matigas itong steam, nung mga ganito. Gusto nila yung hindi matigas. So, ayaw nila ng matigas, guys. Gusto ko ng matigas. Gusto ko talaga ng matigas. Ay, nako talaga. Tigasin talaga ito. But anyway, so yan siya, guys. So, mamaya, lulutuin ko pa siya hanggang okay na yung niya. So, yun. Yun lang siya, guys. Masarap yan, guys. As in, guys. Sarap talaga, guys. Are you tulog or you're just pretending, ding, ding. She's coming. Every time I talk to her, come here. Come here to mama, baby. Hi, baby. Hi, Rox, come. Hala, Misty's coming. Misty ko. Guys, ito yung guys, pork. Pork na nabili ko. And yes, ito siya, malaki. Malaki. Maraming skin. Skin dito na area. At saka skin the other side. The other side is more skin. Look, I don't know. You cannot really see it. Look. It's more skin. Ang bilis tumaas ng damo, guys. As in 1 week lang taas na agad. 1 week ang bilis. Grabe itong mga ko, poison ivy ko. Grabe. Nagbo-boil na ako, guys, ng guys, pork. Ito siya. Nilagyan, I think pinakita ko sa inyo, 'di ba? Pepper, lemongrass, very little tiny soy, and saka salt. Yun, salt. Yun lang. Boil ko lang siya para maluto siya. You've been playing outside, which is really good. But you have to drink water now. Water? 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 I just gave you something, so that's it. I'm not giving you anything anymore. I just did give you some bones. Okay? Where's your bones, Rox? Where did you put your bone? You put it outside. So now what? Did you eat it? Did you eat it, Roxy? What? What? Why you right here? Why you right here? Why you right here? Why you right here? Why you are right here? Nakalimutan ko pala ipakita sa inyo, guys. Ito na siya, guys. Yung rotisserie. Ay, pinakita ko naman ito sa inyo palagi, guys. Every time na nagluluto ako nito, ipakita ko palagi sa inyo. So, yan siya. Mga 30 minutes. Now it's 1 hour already. It's been cooking for an hour. Look, I did it for like 2.5 hours, and it's already here. So it's 1 hour already. It's been cooking for 1 hour. So there's more 1.5 hour more to go. At saka wala pa naman si Tami, at saka yung pamangkin niya, at saka yung ina niya. So okay lang yan. Ang sarap nito, guys. As in, guys. Oh, guys, kung meron kayong ShopRite sa lugar ninyo, andito kayo sa US, try this, guys, sa store nila. Sa frozen section, I don't know kung lahat ba ng ShopRite. Yeah. I don't know kung lahat ba ng ShopRite meron sila. Pero itry ninyo ito, guys. It's so good. Ito pa yung na-try ko. Meron silang string beans casserole. And so this one is really, really good. I usually doesn't like yung sweet potato with something sweet potato blend with the pecans. It's so good. It's so delicious, guys, and you should try this if you have ShopRite in your area or wherever you can find this product. It's really good. It's Savannah Classic Sweet Potato Casserole. Yun siya. Ang ingay, guys. As in, guys, ingay talaga nito, guys. Yan. Mag-crispy-crispy na yan mamaya. Gusto ng asawa ko yan. Crispy. I know it's annoying. I know, little man. I know. Bug. Bug. Psst. I'm sorry about the noise. I can't resist. I got skin because I can't resist. It's so good looking, the rotisserie. Good. Just like lechon. Oh my god. So good. And ito na siya luto na. That thing. And rice. Where's Dada? Let's go get him. Where is he? Where is Dada? Tingnan niyo yung dalawa, guys. Gusto mong pumasok. Okay, let's put this dish to your where you... Ay, naku talaga. Itong dish nila, ilagay ko doon. Kasi dito talaga dapat ko ilagay. Pero itong dalawa, hindi kakain kapag dito ko ilagay. Yan. And I've been waiting for Tommy, guys. Oh my god, it's been like 3 hours, 3.5 hours. Hindi pa nakarating. Ito ding dalawa naghihintay. Hey, are you waiting for Dada too? Tingnan nyo to, guys. Hey, are you waiting for Dada? Dimple Earth. Dada or the dry food or the treats? Alam nyo, guys, nag-ibibihis ako kasi... Oh my god, itong aso. Nagbibihis ako kasi parang yung sinuot ko kanina, parang kumakati lalo yung tiyan ko. So, yun. Hindi ko alam, guys, kung asan yung asawa ko. Hindi ko talaga alam kung anong nangyayari. So, yeah. Okay, now I have to wait. Hold on. Han, is it close? Close? Close?
Traffic sucks right now.
Yeah, it's just like what? It's just
All back up all the way to Walmart.
behave. Hi, Galvin.
Wiring stuff.
Hello. Huh?
Behave.
Misty, ha? No bite, ha? No bite.
You remember Gavin? When you were little?
Hello, Roxy. Hey.
Hello. Be careful with Misty, Gavin. Hello, hello, hello. Misty, quiet.
Come on, come on, come on. Be nice.
Hi guys, matutulog na kami guys. And pinasok ko tong mga aso dito dahil yung bata andito. Na ano sila, napapagod yung aso sa bata. Oh, my baby. Yes, I know. I know yung bata. Grabe ka ano. Kiat no? Kiat? Hindi mo gusto? Hindi mo gusto yung bata? Hindi? Hindi mo gusto yung bata? Huh? Huh? Kawawang mga aso. Na ano sila guys kasi sobrang ano yung bata. Hand close in. Oh,